Hello children, welcome to maths class. This video is continuation of exercise 7.1. We are now going to learn question number 6. The question is here, name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reason for your answer. So, you know we are using distance formula in this exercise. We will use that distance formula and find the sides of this quadrilateral. Let us see these points name we give A, B, C and D. We do not know which type of quadrilateral it forms. We just draw A, B, C, D a quadrilateral. Point also we can mention here -1, -2. Next B is 1, 0, C is -1, 2 and D is -3, 0. These are the 4 vertices. We will find AB, BC, CD and AD, 4 sides of quadrilateral. So, let us first find the 4 sides and then later we will talk what to do next. So, AB we are going to find out using distance formula. We know all very simple formula, it has x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. There are 4 vertices, but which side length we are going to find? We will see that 2 points AB. So, AB 1 minus 1 is here, another one x2 is 1 and x1 is -1. So, minus minus it will become plus, you know, whole square plus y square, y2 0, y1 is -2. So, that also minus and that minus, it will be plus 2 square. We get here 1 plus 1 2 square, another one also 0 plus 2 will be 2 square. What we get? 2 square will be 4, another 2 square also will be 4. So, 4 plus 4 we are getting root 8. We write here root 8 units. This is the first side AB. Let us go in another one BC. Again we will not write the same formula, we will just refer here, but we will look at these 2 points now, B and C. So, B we say first x1 y1, C is later x2 y2. So, x2 minus x1, it will be -1 whole square, y2 2 minus 0 whole square. We will simplify what we get here, -2 square plus 2 minus 0 will be 2 square. Here also we will get -2 square also will be plus 4 only and 2 square also 4. Second side also we are getting root 8 units. Third side CD. We will find CD now. We will look at that 2 points CD. C is what? -1 2, D -3. So, x2 minus x1 -3 and minus minus plus 1 whole square, 0 minus 2 whole square. What we get? 3 1 minus 3 1 plus 1 minus 2 square, and this also will get -2 square. So, we get 2 square 4 minus 2 square 4, again -2 square 4. This B third side CD also we are getting root 8 units. One more side DA or AD, it is up to us whichever name we write, AD. AD. So, x1 y1 x2 y2, x2 minus x1. So, what will be? -3 minus minus plus 1. So, -3 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus minus plus 2. We get here -3 plus 1 -2 square and 0 plus 2 2 square. This also we will get 4 plus 4 root 8. So, what we see, all these four sides of this quadrilateral are equal, rotate, 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 rotate. But only knowing the side is enough, or quadrilateral has some other parts also? Yes, that are diagonals. We can say AC diagonal and BD. So, after knowing about the sides, we will try to know about the diagonals. So, we will need to find AC and BD also. Now, we go for finding AC. So, when we say AC, we will look at that 2 point A and C, and accordingly we arrange x2 minus x1 whole square, how we are arranging. So, AC x2 x1 minus 1 minus minus plus 1 whole square plus y2 y1. So, 2 minus minus plus 2 square. What we get? We will get here 1 minus 1 plus 1, it will be 0. 2 we will get 4 square. So, 0 plus 4 square will be what? 4 only, 4 square root will be cancelled 4. So, 4 unit we are getting AC. Next is BD diagonal. So, we will find that diagonal BD. So, let us see now BD, x1 y1 x2 y2. So, this will be x2 minus x1, that is minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 0. So, this will be 0 only, nothing to do for 0, and we get here what? Minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 square. Minus 4 square will be 16, and root 16 will be what? 4 units, square root of 16. So, what we find in this quadrilateral, all four sides are equal and also both the diagonals are equal. We need to write a statement. In quadrilateral ABCD, four sides are equal, that is AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, what is that? CD, not AC. Name of four side is equal to AD. Four sides are equal, that is equal to root 8, and the diagonals also are equal, and the diagonals, what are the diagonals? AC and BD. AC is equal to BD, that is 4 units. So, what type of quadrilateral it will be? So, we need to know the properties of quadrilateral. It happens in square, all the four sides are equal and both the diagonals are equal. If both the diagonals are not equal, that will be rhombus. So, we need to remember the properties of square. So, we have given the proof, we have shown here. The last statement we will write, therefore, ABCD is a square, or we will write the given vertices ABCD form a square. So, statement giving is up to us. I hope you have learned it nicely. Of course, there are 2 more questions. See you in the next video. I hope you will be making use of these videos for learning and preparing for your board exams. I will be bringing very soon for you some suggestions, also some important questions, board model type questions. So, do not forget to subscribe the channel, so that whenever I bring something new, will be reaching to you within no time. See you in next video.